Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Zen Life with Kritika. I'm a tarot card reader, uh, an artist and I am a person who believes in Zen life. एक लाइफ जिसमें आप पीसफुल हैं, जिसमें आपको किसी से कंपटीशन नहीं है, यू आर जेलस ऑफ everyone, you are one in yourself. So that makes my Zen life. So as you can see, my bags are packed. और ये बैग्स क्यों पैक्ड हैं, मैं क्यों इनको लेके खड़ी हूँ? बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू टू अ वेरी वेरी लवली प्लेस, अ प्लेस वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड माई पीस फॉर 2 long days. So it's a very beautiful place situated in the middle of the lake and I hope your journey आपको भी पीस दे क्योंकि मुझे देने वाली, that is for sure. So come on then, let's do this journey together. हाय एवरीवन। सो आज मैं आपको लेके जा रही हूँ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग प्लेस पे। 2 days का स्टे है मेरा उधर एंड द ब्यूटिफुल रिजॉर्ट इज सिचुएटेड इन बिटवीन द लेक। सो आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉय। फिलहाल तो रास्ते में हूँ एंड हियर आई एम गोइंग विद माई फैमिली। देयर माई ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल, माई सिस्टर, दिस माई ब्रदर इन लॉ एंड दिस वन मोर हैंडसम मैन पीछे बैठा है, बट आई थिंक उसको नहीं आना है वीडियो पे, बट दैट्स फाइन। तो चलते हैं और एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग जर्नी करने वाले हैं हम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू एवरी सिंगल बिट ऑफ इट. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू have these next 2 days. And here we are. It was a beautiful drive. Super excited to be here. तो अब देखते हैं कि कैसा है ये रिजॉर्ट एंड हाउ इट ट्रीट्स अस. So we have reached here and the place looks beautiful. और अब आपको पूरा टूर दूंगी. द बोट स्टीमर इज़ देयर और हम लोग लेक से होकर उस रिजॉर्ट तक जाने वाले हैं. एंड इफ़ यू ऑल कैन सी जस्ट अ व्यू, आई एम सुपर सुपर एक्साइटेड. सो लेट्स बिगिन दिस जर्नी. And here we are in the steamer boat and here we go. Everyone is busy videoing, but that's what we are going to do, right? Enjoy this whole thing and just soak in the vibes. I'm not sure मेरा voice कितना आ रहा है, but enjoy the view. And here we land with all our suitcases and everything. And come on then, let's move in. It's right here. So we have reached the resort. This is called Nahargarh Resort and it's nearby Pasoli village, situated just in between the lake and in the middle of the lake, and it's so beautiful and so serene, if you all can see. It's got some amazing vibes, so I'm looking forward for a great time here. And here are the people welcoming us with the welcome drink. Thank you, Bhaiya. This place has a rich feel, Some lovely chairs that I've seen. Wow. I guess these are silver. I don't know, but yes, I guess. They look amazing. And it's pear. That's here. That's mahogany wood, I guess. ये silver है भैया? See, that's what I was telling you as I asked Mr. Manager, and these are silver and such lovely carved wood tables. So let's move in and check out the resort. As I walked towards our room, I felt as if I have entered into a different world. The property is incredible. Every wall speaks a different story. Every corner at this place has some antiques kept. So, those who are antique lovers, you're gonna have a good time here. There was so much to look and admire, but since I am an artist, I loved the paintings on the wall. Right from every hook to nook to every corner, everything was so amazingly done. It's not only the grandeur, but also the art and creativity of this place that will blow your mind. There are surprises at every corner of this place, and you will just, see something so beautiful, so perfect, and so creative. Isn't this amazing? It's like a treat to the eyes, and you would just love to keep watching. This resort had its own gaming zone, जहाँ पे आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ में बहुत अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. There was billiards, table tennis, there was carom and chess and many other stuff that children can enjoy. And isn't this the reason जब हम बाहर आते हैं, because we want to spend time with our family or we just want to have a me time together. So this is one of the cherry on the cake thing. So it's a beautiful room and lots of light in it. मुझे हमेशा बहुत वेल वेंटिलेटेड और लाइट वाले रूम्स पसंद हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा बंद कमरे और वैसा मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता. So this is a room which I'm liking. As you can see, there's a huge window there. It's a glass window and a porche to be seated. तो morning tea तो मेरी sorted है. This was the view of the lake from my room. और ऐसा मन हो रहा था कि मैं उस पैशियो पे बैठ के इस लेक को देखती रहूं. It gave so much peace. After resting for a while in the room, we went to the pool to spend the rest of our evening and to watch the sunset. Those who know me, they know it well कि मुझे sunsets कितने पसंद हैं. I have put up some gorgeous videos of sunset for you all, so enjoy the view. After watching the mesmerizing sunset and spending our time in the infinity pool, it was time to wind up the day with some amazing dinner. The dining area was enchanting with a view of huge chandeliers. So we are sat here for dinner. The day is done and it was beautiful and amazing. Food is generic. बहुत फैंसी नहीं है जैसा मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी, बट या इट मस्ट बी गुड इन टेस्ट बिकॉज इट लुक्स गुड. So let's see. For dinner, I had noodles and soup and some Indian curries along with crispy naan. The food, though not too fancy, but was definitely lip smacking and delicious. नाइट में ये प्रॉपर्टी इज लाइक अ डिफरेंट एरा। ऐसा लगता है कि हम किसी राजा महाराजा वाली एरा में एंटर कर गए हैं। आफ्टर द डिनर we strolled on the terrace of the resort, enjoying the view of the full moon with the view of infinity pool. It was completely gorgeous. This property had such beautiful views कि हम इसे जिस भी कॉर्नर से देखते थे, it had something very different and very unique to offer. A complete treat to the eyes. So this is how we end the first day of our trip. Second day का वीडियो भी जल्दी आ जाएगा. Until then, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Zen Life with Kritika, and don't forget to hit the bell icon because bell icon hit करेंगे तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने न्यू वीडियो कब अपलोड कर दिया है. Instagram handle मैंने नीचे लिख दिया है. So you can follow my art projects there, and you can follow my Zen work, that is my tarot reading and my manifestation work there. And इधर तो मैं मिलती ही रहूँगी आप लोगों से. So I'll see you all soon. Until then, stay calm and stay zen. Bye.